So the areas that we're going to be watching here off the open are going to be this kind of area between 50 and 70. I want to see if we have weakness off the open here. Do we kind of bounce at that 50 level or do we tuck below it? The no man's land is going to be between 42 and 916. So if we break below 42 and 3/4 there, 916 and a half is going to be the target. If we are kind of bouncing there like we did in the early part of the stream today, if we are kind of bouncing there, there's a good chance that we will test this level up here at 610. So those are the levels I'm going to be watching today. That's what's important to me. So off the open here, I'm going to be looking to trade, probably max size would be 5 lots, 2 to 5 lots. Somewhere in that range. If we have a really good look, I'm gonna pile into it. But for the most part here, like yesterday, we had a really good look there off the open. We had a lot of momentum there to the top side. And that one single trade that was like a $4,200 trade. It was insane. So if we have a look like that, we have to take it. And this is, again, you know, I spread my risk amongst multiple accounts. I do recommend trading multiple accounts. You can trade up to 3 accounts on Top Step. Once you pass, you can trade unlimited combines. You can have a whole mess of combines, as many as you want to trade. Trade 100 at a time if you want. But once you pass those combines, you get into the XFA, you can have a maximum of 3 XFA accounts. Those are the express funded accounts. And I highly recommend having multiple accounts. And yeah, so I'll probably be looking for between 2 and 5 lots here off the open if we have any kind of look. Like I said, we're looking for a range here below 70, touching that 50. Below 50, we have 42 and 3/4. Below 42 and 3/4, we got that 916. And then it gets really speedy if we actually encroach down that level. If we have a really strong day to the downside here, we could potentially see that. So you want to be open for anything here. Right now, market overall is generally weak. The weakness will be confirmed as long as we are breaking below that 50 and 1/4 there. If we are breaking below that with a lot of violence to the downside, well, then the market should be rolling over. Why trade 3 times 50K versus 150K? You want to spread your risk. And I only trade the 150K accounts. I personally think that the 50K accounts do not have, I mean, with my trading style, it's sometimes a little bit wild. I don't think $1,000 in a maximum daily loss limit is enough, at least for the way that I trade and what my goals and aspirations are with my accounts. I like having the maximum daily loss at $3,000, which is what you get with the 150K accounts. And when you pass it from the combine into the XFA, all the accounts are 1 lifetime fee. You don't pay monthly, you pay 1 lifetime fee when you pass, and it's $149, no matter if you're on a 50K account, 100K account, or 150K account. So I prefer trading the 150Ks. I mean, it's such a good deal too. If you're a good trader, it's an amazing, amazing deal. By the way, if you guys aren't already following me right here at Selling Rips, follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I post more behind the scenes stuff there on Instagram. All righty, folks, here we go. It's 1 minute until Boomtown. 1 minute. All right, good luck, everybody. Here we go. Markets are open. Tesla's going straight up here. SPY's perking up, holding the EMAs. I will take that long here with 2 lots. I'm gonna put my stop a little bit higher than 60 ticks here. I do want to see this break up above the 90s. Get Ninja Trader over here. So we tapped into that 87 level. We pulled back a little bit. Let's see if we can clear back above 87 with strength. SPY is still pretty strong here. Seeing if we're gonna hold this 75 area. I do want to have my stop a little bit lower, actually. Get it right below the 70s. Tesla has pulled back a little bit. I want to see if we clear above this 87 and 1/4 now. All right, I'm going to add into that there. See if we get this push above 90. Adding into that for this squeeze above 90 now. We're still holding 87. Adding into that full size. Watching for this push back above 90. Can we hold above 90? Beautiful. Gorgeous. Trying to pull out 5. Getting some trouble here. Taking out 5. Well, that was lovely. Got really close to getting stopped out there. And now we got stopped out. So $1,800 on that trade there. That was a fun one. Wild open here. That was very intense. Very, very intense. So we were definitely levered into that one there.